In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Shopify order status page. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. The goal here is to place your Google Tag Manager snippets on the order status or thank you page so your tracking fires right after a purchase is completed. This is the most reliable spot in Shopify for post-purchase tracking, and Shopify gives us a dedicated field to add code safely. Start in your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look for Settings, then open the Checkout section. This is where Shopify stores all checkout-related options, including the area we need for scripts. If you have multiple tabs open, make sure you're editing the correct store's admin so your changes apply where you expect. Inside Checkout Settings, scroll down until you reach the Order Status page section. Here you'll see a field labeled Additional Scripts. This field is designed specifically for snippets that should load on the order confirmation page only. That's exactly what we need for Google Tag Manager, because it ensures the container loads right after the order is placed, without interfering with the checkout itself. Have your two Google Tag Manager snippets ready, the standard script tag and the companion no-script iframe provided by Google Tag Manager. Copy both of them exactly as they are and paste them into the Additional Scripts box. Keep the formatting intact, no extra characters, no partial snippets, and don't remove the no-script portion. Place them together in the box, one after the other, in the order Google provides. This keeps your setup consistent and ensures the container can load, even if a browser restricts JavaScript. If you already have other scripts in this field, paste the GTM snippets above or below them, and avoid duplicating any existing GTM code. Once the snippets are in place, look to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Saving applies the change immediately and ensures the code is published to the order status page for all new checkouts. If you ever need to adjust or remove the snippets later, you'll come back to this same Additional Scripts field to make edits. That's all you need to do. You've navigated to Checkout Settings, found the Additional Scripts field under the Order Status page, added your two Google Tag Manager snippets, and saved your changes. With that, your post-purchase tracking is set up in the right place and ready to work.